Welcome everyone to this edition of Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Friday, the 12th of May, 2023. I hope you had a great trading day today, and it was a great trading day today. With that being said, as we do get started here, keep in mind that everything we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. And if you like what you see, make sure that you follow along here on YouTube, subscribe, ring the bell, keep up with all of the latest content that we put out, which is pretty much every day we've got content that goes out there. And then go over to, I'll leave a link down in the description, tradinglikeaboss.com, that has all of our free resources on it for you to take advantage of. All right, with that, let's go ahead and jump right in. So I want to start off first where we look at yesterday's FDX, one of the candidates we announced yesterday. The other two did not transition. They gapped away and nothing ever happened. So what took place, what transpired, what happened today on FedEx? Well, this is today's candle, right? We kind of opened flattish, maybe a little bit down on the morning, whatever it was. We moved down, retested, dropped. We went from 226 to 224.84, a little bit lower than that. So definitely an opportunity in there. Hopefully you're able to take advantage of that setup. Right? For today, we've got three, and they are Autodesk. ADSK is the very first one. All right, let's go ahead and bring that fib in. All right. So right now you can see what the fib looks like. A little bit on the older side, but we should be okay with it for where we are for right now. It's not too old, that's for sure. Okay, now we close right at a fib line. We've got the 8 and the 21 moving average right there. Switchback setup, what are we looking for? Break the 193, retest and fail. That would be my ideal way of taking it. And we've got 188 basically as support, so somewhere above there is your target. And then on the upside, we're looking at that 198 to 200 level. We actually should have a 200 in here. Let's go ahead and put a line in there at 200. Not only do I make it the 100-point level, I change it over to this red color, and I make it a dash dot. Right? That's my indication that it is a 100-point level. All right? So 200 would be my top end, but I'd probably look at that 198.16 as resistance. So Autodesk, first one, ANET, A-N-E-T, is the next one. I like where we stopped on this one, right at the fib line. We're in a bearish bias. I like the opportunity to the downside. We've got $10 of fib in there. We don't have $10 here, which is good. We don't have to split that level. So overall, I like this one a lot. All right, for the downside, break the 139.5, retest and fail. 132 is support, so 133, 134 is your target. On the upside, you've got to contend with that 141. It really depends on your risk profile. Some will take the trade as it bounces off that 139.5, which puts you in about 141. Others are going to wait for it to clear the 141. You make that call as to which way it works best for you. So that's ANET, and number 3 is Target. I like me some Target. Let's bring it in. There's the entire fib. You can see we have just gone for months, right? Months. We don't have a place to really redraw the fibs on this one at all, right? But as we bring it in, where are we? We close right at that 158 level. We're looking at about $7 to the downside, 45, 55, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to go ahead and put a fibit in here. We definitely need them. So we have here. And we have here. Perfect. Okay. So now on the downside, we're looking for the break, retest, fail, 158.5 down to 152. Plenty of room for some opportunity. On the upside, move up, retest, bounce. You may see some hesitation at the 160. I'm not targeting there. I'm looking at that 165 level, somewhere down below there, 64, 63, somewhere in that range is where we're looking for. All right, and there you have it. Here's your trades for Friday the 12th. So make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it, and remember, you're just one trade away. Take care, everybody. I will see you at our next update. Bye for now.